Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Northtech 100 series 24-inch planer sander. This is a really special machine. Often we hear arguments, what's better, straight knife, helical head, and everything in between, and then there's different types of helical. Well, this is an answer to a lot of people's prayers. First of all, we do have the safety cover open so you can see. First of all, you're going to see that it has over a 5-inch helical head in here. And that is powered by a 20 horsepower motor, so there is ample power behind that head. Secondly, you're going to see that there's a feed mat. What's nice about a feed mat is since you don't have the bottom rollers, what ends up happening is you eliminate end snipe altogether. So that's, that snipe that you see on boards is just totally eliminated by it being conveyor fed. You do have your anti-kickback fingers here. Your chip breakers are right here. If we open up the side of this machine, as you can see, you can raise and lower that head. Also, you're going to see there's a 24-inch wide belt sander sistered right after that head. It also does have a platen, so you do have a finishing platen on this head. They were running it with 120 grit, 100 or 120 grit. So basically, you're gonna get rid of all those scratch marks or any of those scratch marks left by that first head, and really be able to calibrate your thickness on top of that. So this is basically the 20 horsepower motor that powers that first head, and behind it on the other side and the inside here, you're going to see that there's a 15 horsepower motor for that second head. You've got your variable speed drive. The machine is in really good condition. On your controls, you can set your height, so you can go 1 inch and start. You can also change the units if you want. Of course, if you go down here, you do have your fine adjustment, your extremely fine adjustment, like you find in most wide belt sanders. As you can see, it's lowered you to 1 inch. You can also raise and lower from these keypads. It does have a 6 1/4 inch capacity as far as height, so it's a 24 inch by 6 inch. We'll go ahead and start that first head, that planer head. Now just to let you know, that safety stop did stop the wide belt, but there is no brake on that first head. So that's why you did not hear that engage, but the wide belt brake does work. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by phone at 630-229-6705. Thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.